Lately, I keep hearing this idea, people dreaming about a future where nobody ever really dies, where your loved ones live on as an AI version of themselves, talking, texting, answering, existing long after their heartbeat stops. I mean, it sounds impressive, but the more I think about it, the more it feels like we're afraid of something we're supposed to face. Out here in the real world, nothing lives forever. This place, this forgotten stretch of earth, it has a way of teaching truth without saying a word. Horses grazing on dry land that once had water, an ant dragging a crumb across the dirt like it's a year worth of survival. Stray pieces of wood that once held up a whole celebration. Signs from weddings no one remembers. Chairs no one will sit on ever again. None of it is preserved. None of it is polished. Everything here is allowed to fade, and somehow, because of that, everything feels more honest. You start noticing the little things first. A lantern rusted all the way through. Glass bottles stacked like a blue graveyard. Tabletops cracked by the sun and time. A torn seat from a car that probably meant the world to someone. And then it hits you. These aren't just objects. They are the leftovers of human stories. Someone carried that lantern. Someone celebrated under that wedding sign. Someone leaned back in that car seat and talked about their dreams on a long drive home. Someone loved, someone hurt, someone lived so hard that the objects around them ended up tired too. People talk about love like it's supposed to last forever. Like if it doesn't last, it wasn't real. But that's not how life works. That's not how romance works. Real love is a fire you feel once, even if it doesn't survive the years. Sometimes the most beautiful romance is the one that ended too soon, or the one you still remember because it changed you, not because it lasted. What you feel years later, standing in a place like this, isn't sadness. It's the quiet glory of knowing something mattered once. And this yellow truck, old, dented, sunburned, still stubborn as hell. You can tell it's been through storms that would have broken a newer machine. You can almost imagine the two people who sat inside it back when the paint was new, hands brushing, windows down, driving through the kind of silence that only happens when you are with someone you love. It faded, it rusted, it broke down, but the romance is still here. You can feel it in the metal, you can see it in the dents, you can hear it in the quiet. Machines understand fading better than humans do. They don't fight it, they just keep going until going isn't possible anymore. And then they rest. That's the part we don't want to face. Goodbye is uncomfortable, it's painful, it's heavy. It forces us to become a new version of ourselves without the person who shaped the old one. And so we think maybe we can cheat it. Maybe we can build a digital version of someone, ask it the question we forgot to ask, hear the voice we missed the most, keep the illusion that nothing has changed. But grief isn't a glitch, and love isn't a file you can back up. AI can recreate words, but not presence. It can recreate sound, but not the silence between two people when they really understand each other. Keeping someone alive as data isn't honoring them. It's refusing to grow. Fading is how we heal, how we learn. Fading is how we carry them forward without dragging their shadow. The romance is in the loss, The meaning is in the memory, and the beauty is in the blur. If love never ended, we'd never learn how to feel it again. The point is, grief isn't supposed to be solved by technology. It's supposed to teach us who we are after the people we love are no longer here. Romance isn't holding on forever. It's in learning how to let go and still love what's gone.